They gotta be careful. There are so many people here.
Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up!
What's up, everyone? Squink here. I used to be a cop, believe it or not. So for that reason, I'm here to do one thing. Answer a question. What is that question? The question is, what the hell are the cops doing? Why'd they shoot him? Why did they get shot at? Why is he driving fast? Where are they going? So I'm here to answer all those questions and more in today's video. Today's video does come from police activity. Thank you, police activity. NOPD, New Orleans Police Department officers fire shots at robbery suspect, escapes in stolen vehicle. This happened 3 days ago. This is a fresh incident. So hopefully I can bring new eyes to the situation. I do call out all bad behavior, cops and suspects alike. Without further ado, let's jump in. I've never seen this. I'm reacting in real time.
I think I see the blue car. Start moving up. Got eyes on a blue car. Focus on that Kia. They'll jump. They'll jump. Be aware. Get on both sides. Alright, I'm watching the blue car.
So we're just gonna walk. We're gonna watch it all the way through, and then I'll comment at the end.
Watch that white Kia to your left, right there, in the middle. Blue car trying to make its way up to the Kia. They're seeing what's going on.
They gotta be careful. There are so many people here.
Don't get in my car.
Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Oh, deadly force at that point.
Alright, went right on France. Seeing what's going on. Y'all get somebody on this side over here. Stop moving.
This guy is so sketched out by this situation. I don't blame him.
Don't get in front of that car.
Hands up! Stay right there!
He should have been behind that the entire time.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
That's exactly how that cop got ran over.
I think I see the blue car. Start moving up. Got eyes on a blue car. Focus on that Kia.
This guy's like, can you donate me some food for tonight, please?
They'll jump. They'll jump. Be aware. Get on both sides. Alright, I'm watching the blue car. Watch that white Kia to your left, right there, in the middle. Blue car trying to make its way up to the Kia. They're seeing what's going on. Y'all get somebody on this side over here.
Stay.
Stop moving. Don't get in front of that car.
Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up!
I'll comment at the end. I'm just worried I'll forget it. No one has less lethal that I've seen. Less lethal meaning taser or pepper spray. Or beanbag shotgun.
We're up the bridge.
Put your hands up! Open the door!
Billy, if they go to bail out, I'm going to let you go down. That's fire. Outside. Alright, went right on France. Right on pulling on France towards Elbow. This blue car. Take the blue car.
Okay, so that's the video. I have a couple comments. First, on this, the officers on this side should absolutely, without a doubt, be behind that. Without a doubt, the officers on this side should be behind cover. Because it should almost be known that he's either going to reverse backwards, the suspect's either going to reverse backwards, or he's going to try to cut this gap right here, which is exactly what he does. And if anyone is standing right here, they're going to get, well, this is going to happen.
Open the door! Open the door!
That. As far as
the door! Open the door!
As far as approaching the suspect vehicle in this situation, like with all these pedestrians around, I think it's fine as long as it's controlled. But again, things can change really quickly. We just saw it happen. At the moment when the suspect starting to run over the cop, they are justified in using deadly force. That's just the nature of the situation. Now, at the point when they start firing at the suspect vehicle this direction, we've got a house. Let's see here. We've got a house. We've got a pedestrian vehicle. We've got, I'm assuming that cop's not going to be in there. But we have several residential houses in the area. I would not have fired the shots at the suspect vehicle with these surroundings. I think that is super risky. I feel like your chances of hitting someone else are great, and that's not good. So, taking into consideration everything, this is a bank robbery suspect. I do feel like they're gonna know who he is. So at that point, I think it's best to catch up to him in a less crowded situation with less pedestrians. For that reason, I'm gonna give the cops a B-. Now, I'm only saying that at face value. I'm reacting to what I see. I'm not interested in reading the details in these videos. I'm reacting as a police officer would and telling you guys how I would react. So that's that. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think they should have shot him? Do you think they were justified in shooting him? Or would you have approached the situation a different way? Like I said, I'd wait until it was less populated. If you liked this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, share the video with all of your friends, because I do these videos every single day. Every single day I do them. And they're fun. We have fun here. So if you want to see more, come back tomorrow, subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when there's a new video, which is every single day. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.